everyone. My name is Dmytro Kucheruk and I represent S4GA company. Today I will be presenting you with our newest webpage that is designed for airport consultants and airfield lighting designers. Why did we dedicate this page for airport professionals? We have noticed that very often consultants involved in airfield design projects are missing documents that could help and support them in order to add solar airfield lighting as an option to their projects of airfield lighting systems. That's why we have dedicated this web page for all airport professionals, and it has all materials to support them in their daily job. So let's discuss and let's see what this page actually offers. First of all, the main idea is that design of solar airfield lighting is performed in 4 steps. Step number 1 is a feasibility study. Feasibility study is used to validate whether or not solar system can perform in specific location in accordance with airport operations. And result of this feasibility study actually looks like this here on the picture. It informs end user and a consultant about how many hours per day airport can use solar lights on 60% intensity and 30% intensity throughout entire year from January until December. If this feasibility study is positive, which means solar autonomy that we can achieve in a specific airport, if it covers airport requirements, then we go to step number 2. And step number 2 is a cost comparison between conventional and solar system that we, of course, prepare based on a specific bill of quantity and having in mind cost and that are associated with a country of this airport. We compare CAPEX, OPEX, and a maintenance cost. Step number 3, after cost comparison is positively reviewed by end user and end user still interested to go forward with the solar system, then we focus on preparation of so-called solar airfield lighting design. If you click here, you can see that we, based on the Google map layout, we can prepare our own layout of airfield lighting system. So it has all attributes required to calculate amount of equipment necessary and also to perform installation. As you can see, each part of the layout has its details, including distances between lights and lights that are necessary to be installed on this specific airport. Step number 4, after layout has been accomplished, after we know which lights and which kind of equipment is supposed to be installed, we are moving towards purchase, or so-called tender specifications. This is a type of document that defines what kind of equipment is supposed to be procured by the customer. If you click here, then you will be redirected to the web page where each product offered by S4GA has its purchase specification. For example, let's have a look at the SP401 medium intensity portable taxiway light. If you click here, purchase specification in MS Word format is downloaded. If you open it, you get easy to use, ready description of light, including general overview, physical mechanical parameters, mounting of the lighting unit, light capabilities, and so on and so forth. If you would like to consider solar system for your airport, but the customer requires a little bit more confidence, then I strongly encourage you to visit our webpage and watch this video. It actually explains how we perform physical feasibility study, or we call it also a trial. We offer airports a free trial of solar airfield lighting system, where we deliver equipment to the airport together with a control and monitoring system. And during the phase of this testing period, we also download data for every light, and at the end of the testing period, we show customer different parameters of lights, such as battery level, temperature, solar efficiency, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon.